Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Read these words.
Okay, ma'am. I.
Hmm. What am
Am.
ఏమైతుంది am
I am.
I am a boy.
Very good.
I
సేమ్ వర్డ్ కదా
Am.
am
I am.
I'm a girl.
Girl. Very good. Next.
I
నాట్ ఏఎం
am a dog.
Good.
I
నాట్
Am.
am a cat.
Good.
I am
am
am a bat.
he
Mm.
what is he
He.
He.
he
The
no he
he is a boy.
okay
She is a girl. It is a ball. It is a bat. It is a mouse.
not mouse that r a t ఉంది కదా
Is it at?
Rat.
Good.
it
It is a mat. It is a hat. It is
Sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute.
it is a car. It is a cup. It is a
not a
An.
an ant.
Ant. Next time you will not have this picture. You yourself have to blend and read.
The cat is on the mat.
Good.
The cat mat. The
okay the
cat
is
The-
is is
the
is
is
on
on the bed.
Good. Very good.
It
no
the
T-H-E.
cat is a
no
fat.
Good. At fat.
next
It is a fan.
Good.
no
He a man.
Good.
The
and
the man ran.
Very good. The man ran.
এই হচ্ছে
The pan
he
he
is
is hot.
Good. You know how many sentences you read, Srinija? Do you know how many sentences you read? 23 sentences you read now. Good. Very good. Well done. Very good. Next is Adya
Thank you.
Sharma. Yeah, welcome. Kana. Adya Sharma. Mute yourself, Ma Madhuvanti. Good morning, Madhuvanti. You're unmute. You're in unmute, Ma. Come on, mute yourself. Adya. Adya. Sarah. Sarah. Good morning, Sarah. It's good morning, Kana. Come on, read. Good.
Man.
Ran. Man. Ran.
Read this one. Para focus.
He. He. Very good. He is a man. Okay. Good. Good. Chamath. Next.
படிங்க. Hot அது.
Very good.
Come on. Next one.
Good. 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 Good.
இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்க ரீட் பண்ணுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஓகே.
Good.
Try this one.
Good.
Try this one.
A.
Ah,
Hmm.
is. Ah,
Girl. She is a girl. You are also a girl.
okay, focus.
Next.
He.
He. He.
Hmm. Ah, ah. Hmm. சொல்லுங்க. He is
Boy.
a.
He is a boy.
Ah,
Good.
okay, try this one. Ah, come on, Sarah, focus. அவ்வளவுதான், இதோட
Am.
முடிய போகுது.
I
Come
am.
on, come on, Sarah, அங்க பாரு. இதோட முடிய போகுது. Come on. Ma'am is going to give you star. I. Ah, focus.
Focus. Focus. Am. A.
Hmm.
Bat. Very good. This one.
Yeah, try this one.
I. I am a.
Hmm.
Who's that? I am a cat. Okay. Very good, Sarah. You know how many sentences you read? You read 19 sentences. Mm.
We are learning.
Good. Out of 24 more sentences, you are not going to read because I don't think so you will read. Okay, next. It's going to be Adya. Adya Sharma. Good morning, Shravanya. Okay, Adya is not there. Shravanya, come on, read it, ma.
Give me, ma'am.
Adya is there, huh?
Yes, ma'am, she's there.
Yeah, come on, read Adya.
Read it. What is there?
Chalo, chalo.
जल्दी read करो तो है ना क्या है में
Okay, fine. Adya, take your time. I'll finish with Shravanya and come back. Come on, Shravanya. I am. What is am? I am. A. Where are you looking? I am a.
cat.
Hmm.
சொல்லுங்க
Hmm.
இந்த ஸ்கிரீனை பாரு
I. Hmm.
ம்
Hmm.
I am a dog.
Good. I'm a dog. I.
I am a I am a bat.
Good.
H E she.
He, not she. He.
A
He.
E I am a
He is a.
he is a boy.
Good. Next.
She
Hmm.
a
Is I-S. What is it? I-S.
I S
She is.
a girl.
She is a girl.
T
என்ன
T I T it
Hmm.
I S A
Hmm.
full read பண்ணுங்க.
It is the
ball.
next.
It
Mm.
a bat.
Good. It is a bat.
full read பண்ணுங்க.
A
Mm.
R rat.
This is at rat.
read பண்ணுங்க கடகடன்னு.
Mom.
இது என்னது? வருது. IT.
I T it.
Mm.
I S
Mm.
I
Mm.
bat.
It is a mat. Good.
அதேதான் read பண்ணுங்க.
IT. What is IT?
T it.
Hmm.
I S is
Mm.
A
Mm.
H E
என்னது? HAT என்னது?
HAT.
H A T hat.
Hat. Very good. It is a hat. Okay, children. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. We'll continue later. Join your hands and close your eyes. Madhuvanti Kidzi Antam. Madhuvanti. Kidzi Antam. You are within me. Hmm. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings. Beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, very good morning, children. Keep standing for the warm-up activity. Yes, good morning, Manitish. Very good morning to everyone.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop.
Very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
Here I am, Magician.
Very good, Adya Sharma. Good, next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Next. Very good, Nakshatra. Next.
Present.
Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Nitish.
I am.
Next. Yes, very good, Mani.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Next. Riyasri is absent. Oh, okay. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Next, Pranavi. Pranavi. Absent. Ravina. Srinija. Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Tilakar. Kadambari. Shravanya.
நீ சொல்லு
Shravanya. Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita. Nimalan. My God, how many absentees today? Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Lot of absentees today. Okay, children. Do you all remember the rhyme yesterday I taught you, children? Take your rhymes book, page number 25. Take your rhymes book. Page number 25, butterfly rhyme. Take your rhymes book, page number 25. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. From the beginning, first comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay, this is the right. Okay, now tell me what is the first stage life cycle of a butterfly? What is the first stage in the life cycle of
Laying
butterfly?
eggs, ma'am.
Eggs. Very good. First stage is egg. Next, the egg emerges into
Caterpillar.
very good caterpillar. Next, the caterpillar spins and forms
Butterfly.
chrysalis. Very good. Chrysalis.
Chrysalis.
Okay, the caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. And then from the chrysalis, what comes out?
So chrysalis.
What comes out?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. A pretty butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. Okay, now all of you do the action of the butterfly. Come on. Butterfly. Yes. Very good, children. Okay, now come on, take your next worksheet is T78 empty. T78 empty, you have two worksheets in that. That is from number 51 to 60.
1 to
Okay, come on,
60.
start writing it. D78 empty. First sheet you will have numbers from 51 to 55, and the next sheet you will be having numbers from 56 to 60. Start writing.
Okay. Sorry, let's take the pen.
Write today's date, children. Before that, today's date is 2-11-2121. The day is Tuesday. Month is November. Five 151, 5-2 52,
Ma'am, can you hear me?
5-3. Yes. Yes, Srinija's mom. 5-3 53, 5-4 54, 5-5 55. So till 55 you have in that worksheet. Write today's date and start writing, children.
What they have to do, ma'am? Sorry, I was away.
Worksheet number D78 empty. Number from 51 to 60. Two sheets you will have.
Start writing, Sarah. Oh, mute பண்ணிடு.
Worksheet number 2, ma'am.
Worksheet number D78 empty. You have two worksheets in that
78.
D78 section. From 51 to 55, and the next sheet you will have from 56 to 60. Two worksheets. Till number 60 you have to finish. Madhvanti, are you writing? Nitish, write ma Nitish. Write fast. Adarsh. Right, Adarsh? What are you thinking? Adarsh, mom, has he written capital letters till A to Z?
Yes, ma'am. No time. It's written, ma'am, but not in the line, ma'am.
Not in the line. Yeah, I can see. Okay, fine. Next time you just guide him with dots.
Okay,
Dots
ma'am.
வச்சு கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா 2 dots 3 dots அந்த மாதிரி கைட் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay. Thank you.
Good, Adarsh.
Special class.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Till 60?
No, till 55 only. Next
60,
page.
next page 56 to 60, that you have written?
No, ma'am.
That also I have read. Once you finish this page, take the next page. 51 to 55 if you have completed. Turn the next page and write from 56 to 60.
Okay.
What number you are writing, Ma, Shravanya?
757.
Very good. What number you are writing, Ilango?
060.
60, very good. What number you are writing, Kevin? Kevin, what number you are writing?
58.
58.
Kevin.
58.
Right.
Hmm? Kevin. Busy writing this one. Okay, Adya Sharma, what number you are writing?
आत्मु कौन सा लिख रहे हो? ये क्या है?
5565.
5555. Very good. Sarah, what number you are writing?
What number you are writing?
What number you are writing? 5, 5, 7, 57. Okay, good. Nakshatra, what number you are writing?
இது என்ன நம்பர்
என்ன நம்பர் எழுதுறீங்கம்மா?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த நம்பர்
5454. Right fast. Yes, Srinija, what number you have writing?
She finished, ma'am, actually.
Finished. Very good, Srinija. Good. Nitish, what number you are writing?
5.
Very good, Nitish. 5858. Super. Madhwanti, what number you are writing? 57.
57.
57. Very good. Super.
சரி அடுத்தது எழுது.
Yes, Adarsh. What, Adarsh? What are you doing? Adarsh. If you are doing like this, then you have to come to school only. I don't know. Bring him to school. Send him to school. Yes? Not at all. Not at all willing to write. எழுதலனா இப்ப ஸ்கூல் தான் அனுப்பணும். எனக்கு தெரியாது. I don't know.
स्कूल बोलिया.
Come on, write.
Start.
Start writing. இல்லனா இப்பவே கொண்டு போய் விடுங்க ஸ்கூல்ல. அங்க எங்கனா பக்கத்துல எதனா ஸ்கூல் இருந்தா கொண்டு போய் விடுங்க. Come on, write. Start writing.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Who's that? Kevin. Very good. Huh? Huh?
அப்பா கிட்ட காமிக்க வந்து
Go.
இல்ல,
Show it to
அப்பா-
your dad. Finish fast, children. We have another concept also. Come on, write fast. Shravanya, write fast. Don't sit here and finished. Then you should tell no. I have finished, ma'am, like that.
No, I am more you.
Ilango, finish.
Finish.
Very good. Ilango, Kevin, Srinija, Shravanya. Then who else finished? Nitish. Very good. Very good boy, Nitish. Madhwanti, finish.
கேக்குறாங்க பாரு.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Madhwanti. Nakshatra, write fast.
சொல்லிட்டாங்க. Very good சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
Sara. Yes, very good, Madhwanti. Sara, finish.
I'm not.
60 you are writing,
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Write fast. Yes, Stravanya. Come on, identify any insects that you know from this. Stravanya.
Cockroach.
Okay, cockroach,
Butterfly.
butterfly,
Ladybird.
ladybug,
Honey bee. Honey bee.
honey bee. Okay,
Ladybug.
ladybug already you said right. Ant,
Mosquito.
mosquito. Good. Spider. You have oh, grasshopper. Very good, Stravanya. Madhuvanti, come on, identify any 5 insects. Dragonfly. Very good, ma. Madhuvanti, any 5.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Hmm. Hmm.
Ladybird.
Erumba. What will you say in English?
இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லு இங்கிலீஷ்ல
Ant.
Ant.
Next.
Tatapuchi.
No. Say it in English. Whatever you know in English, you say. Any 5 insects.
Emu.
Ladybug. Very good.
இது கருப்பாம்பூச்சி.
That only say it in English, ma. Cockroach. Next. Hmm. Mosquito is there. Mosquito is there. Where is mosquito in the screen?
Mosquito.
Then you should say, no, mosquito. Honeybee is there. Housefly is there. Grasshopper is there.
Grasshopper.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Madhuvanti. Ilango, any 5 insects?
இது மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு தெரியுது. வேற ஏதோ எனக்கு சொல்லி தரலாமா? அதெல்லாம் சொல்லி தரலாமா?
Okay, ma. Okay, fine, ma, Madhuvanti. No problem. Okay? On Monday, I'll ask you again. Seriya? Okay. Next, Ilango.
நீ மேம் கிட்ட சொல்லிடுங்க. இது என்ன?
Butterfly.
அப்புறம் வேற
Ladybug.
வெரி குட்.
Cockroach.
Good.
அப்புறம் வேற என்ன உனக்கு தெரியும்? இது
spider.
இது இது this one
Cockroach. This one a cockroach.
okay. This
You know your house, right? What?
housefly.
Housefly. You know your housefly is flying.
Yeah. Next.
Yes, correct. Next.
வேற என்ன தெரியும்? this one இல்லங்க.
Ant.
Very good. This one
Insect.
insect பேர் என்னப்பா?
Wait, idra insect.
சரி.
இது
இல்லங்க. this one dragonfly.
Dragonfly. He is not a dragonfly. This is a dragonfly.
Okay, then mosquito.
Mosquito இல்லங்க. mosquito.
This is mosquito.
Very good. Grasshopper.
Do a cockroach.
சூப்பர் மேம். grasshopper எங்க இருக்கு?
Grasshopper.
இங்க இருக்கு.
கலர் என்ன கலர்?
Green color.
Very good. Honeybee.
Honeybee.
Yes.
Honeybee. Yes, very good, Ilango. Thank you so much, ma. Next, it's whom shall I ask? Kevin. Kevin. Come on, name any 5 insects that you know. Butterfly. Grasshopper.
Ladybug.
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 What is it?
Question.
Huh?
Spider.
Spider. Good.
Cock.
Cockroach.
Cockroach.
Cockroach. Ant.
And
Did you see ant? Next. Where is mosquito?
mosquito.
Where is mosquito? Which is
He
mosquito?
told-
He told already. Okay, fine. Thank you, Ma, Kevin. Next is Srinija. Yeah, identify any 5 insects.
Ladybug.
Mm.
Grasshopper.
Mm.
Butterfly.
Mm.
Ant.
Mm.
Spider.
Mm.
Cockroach.
Mm.
Honeybee.
Mm.
Fly.
House fly.
Housefly.
Mm.
What is this?
Mosquito.
Mosquito.
Very good, Srinija. Thank you so much. Adya Sharma.
मैम को बता दो कौन कौन से बताओ बताओ नहीं आंसर नहीं करते
Whatever you know, you say. You need not answer all the insects. Come on, whatever you know.
कौन से बता ठीक है जल्दी ladybug हाँ
Ladybug, very good.
Spider.
Spider, super.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Anna.
Ant. Ant. Where is honeybee? Honeybee kहाँ है? Honeybee कहाँ है?
Insect.
Where is honeybee?
हनीबी का है हनीबी
Honeybee.
Where is honeybee?
Honeybee.
Yes. Where is mosquito?
मस्कीटो का मस्कीटो
Mosquito.
Mosquito.
Found out correctly?
Mosquito.
Adya's mom, she found out correctly?
नो
Mosquito, which is mosquito?
दिस इज मस्कीटो मच्छर
Mosquito. And then grasshopper.
ग्रीन कलर
Green color. Grasshopper.
ग्रास हॉपर
Grasshopper.
हाँ
Yes, very good, Adya. Thank you so much. Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
சொல்லு நெக்ஸ்ட்
What are all the insects that you know?
சொல்லுங்க என்ன
தெரியாதது
இது
என்ன
தெரிஞ்சது சொல்லுங்க இது என்னது
butterfly.
Okay.
Cockroach தெரியாதுல
ஆ,
cockroach. Light bitch.
இது 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 என்னது
Spider.
Spider. Good.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Ant. Where is ant?
Fly.
ஆ
Housefly. Good.
Ant.
ஆன்ட் இங்க இருக்கு
Ant எங்க இருக்கு? Where is ant?
கரெக்ட்
Correct? Then
Dragonfly.
dragonfly. Very good.
இது இது
Honeybee.
ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு
Honeybee.
Honeybee. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish.
சொல்லுங்க.
Nitish.
ನಾನು butterfly. Peacock. Ant. Spider.
என்ன சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லுங்க.
Bee.
Honey bee.
Honey bee.
Mosquito is there.
Mosquito.
Very good, Maniti. Thank you so much, Sarah. Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah. Come on.
Sarah. Usually start with the name them, no? Sarah.
Come on. What are all the insects you know from this page? Come on, tell me.
Sarah.
Sarah. How can I do your observation, Sarah, if you're not answering? Come on. What are all the insects here? Come on.
Okay.
Huh?
சொல்லு, say it again.
Cockroach.
இது என்னது சொல்லு, say it again.
Cockroach.
Okay.
And
Ant.
butterfly.
Butterfly.
Pass, Sarah. Sarah.
What is that green color insect there? What is that?
Help ma'am, no?
What is that green? Grasshopper. Very good. And then that red color one with black dots.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Okay. On top, you have one insect there. It will bite you at night time. What is that?
Mosquito.
And then you get honey from this insect. What insect is that?
Honey எங்க இருந்து வரும்? யார் கொடுப்பா?
Honey bee.
Honey bee da. Very good, Sarah. Thank you so much, children. All of you look at the screen. We'll have a small, short recap quickly, okay? So first is snail, ladybug, dragonfly, beetle, centipede, ant, grasshopper, honeybee, firefly, cockroach, housefly, earthworm, spider, scorpion, butterfly. Okay, so these are the insects. Now I want you to take worksheet number D82 CT. You will have a snail there, children. Note it down. This worksheet you have to color and send it today, okay? D82 CT. D82 CT. Just join the dots now and color it. D82 CT. Yes, join the dots now. Afterwards, you can color and send it, children. Yes, D82 CT, this one. Join the dots first. Take your pencil, write today's date and join the dots first. No need to color, children. Afterwards, slowly you color and send it to ma'am, okay? Snail.
என்ன பண்ண வேணுமோ அது மட்டும் தான் எடுக்கும்.
வேடி ஏதாவது ஈட்ட போடுங்க.
Yes, those are finished tracing. Take your English notebook. In your English notebook, you have written A to Z one time. Right, take that page. Take your English notebook. In your English notebook, we have written small letters A to Z. Take that page. Mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Finish tracing, children. Now take your alphabet sheet that is written in your notebook, English notebook. So yes, come on, all of you look at the screen. We have 26 alphabet totally, right? Okay. So out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels and the rest of the 21 letters are consonants. So the alphabets are divided into two categories. One is vowel and the other one is consonants. Okay. The vowels are colored here with red. What are all the letters that are colored with red here? A, E, I, O, U. So all these 5 letters are vowels. Okay, vowels, and the rest of the letters that is colored in blue, it is consonants. Okay, vowels, consonants. So the alphabet letters are divided into two categories. One is vowel and the next one is consonants. Okay, now take your notebook, circle the vowels alone, children. That is the 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U in your notebook. Take your pencil and circle the vowels alone. A, E, I, O, U. Come on, start circling. Only the 5 letters that is given in the red color oval shape, okay? A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the rest of the letters are consonants. Circle all the 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. Finish, Sarah. What did you circle, Sarah?
I said that you.
From the beginning. From the beginning.
From the beginning. Say from the
A,
beginning.
I said that
N, E, I,
you.
O,
Oh.
O and U. All these are
What are
vowels. Okay, all these are vowels. Okay, children. Thank you, Sarah. Next, who finish? Very good. What did you circle, Mailango? What did you circle?
Bubbles, ma'am.
Vowels. What are the 5 vowels?
சொல்லு பாரு சர்க்கிள் பண்ணல இங்க பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க
இதுதான் மொபைல்.
இங்க பார்த்து சொல்லு இங்க பாரு
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O.
O,
நெக்ஸ்ட்
U.
U. Very good. These are vowels. Very good. Srinija, what are the vowels you circled?
இல்லை, இல்லை.
Srinija, what are the vowels you circled? Very good, Madhuvanti.
A, E, I, O, U.
All these are
Oh, what?
vowels. Very good. Adya, what did you circle?
Adya, vowels beta.
Vowels. A, E, O, U.
I, you left out. I. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Thank you, Madhya. Next is Nakshatra.
Nakshatra.
Nakshatra, what did you circle?
A.
பார்த்து சொல்லு.
A, ma'am.
A next. A next.
E, ma'am.
E next.
E, ma'am.
Next.
E, ma'am.
Very good. Next. U. All these are vowels. Okay. Shravanya, what did you circle, Shravanya?
A,
No, line you have to say. A, E,
எம்மா
O,
O,
mm.
இது என்ன லெட்டர் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணீங்க?
U, தெரியாதா?
U,
A, E, I, O, U. All these are, what are these?
the
Vowels.
vowels.
Very good. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Tomorrow is Diwali celebration. Be ready with your craft. Okay. With that color paper, you make that flower, and then with a glitter sheet, make that diya, and be ready with that. In a piece of paper, write Happy Diwali, and that also you keep it ready. In the session, we'll stick everything. Okay. So
Okay.
thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Yes, bye everyone.
Bye.
Yes, bye, Ma Kevin.
Ma?
Bye.
Ma?
Yes, Ma Sarah. Huh? Yeah, bye, Adesh. What, Ma? ஊருக்கு போறீங்களா? Okay, very good. Bye, Ma Nitish.
I can come back tomorrow.
You can't. You will not be there tomorrow, ah? Oh. Wherever you are, you can attend the class, no? Huh? இங்க ஊருக்கு போனா என்ன class attend பண்ணுங்க. Okay, fine, Sarah. Okay, happy Diwali to you, Sarah, in advance. Okay, bye, Sarah.
Tomorrow we attend a class.
Okay, you attend the class. Okay, fine. Bye.
கத்தியே காணுமேடி.